Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. For this one, you can see this made by all stainless steels. For outdoor use only, the propane tanks, the countertop fryers. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is about 44 inches long. And the 18.5 inches deep. Overall height is about like a 14.5 inches tall. So as you can see the units, we're having the full starters for each sections. And we're having the wheels in place, the small hole, for you to see the fire how strong of it. And you can twist it. You hear the sound, the click, they turning the fires. And you can adjust the levels. They're having level, the measurements right here. And the manufacturers, they come in with the regulators. And for this part, hook up the machine right here, the connections. And the other side, connect with the liquid propane tanks. Now let's take the inner side dimensions. This is a cooking space for the inner side. And we see the 4 baskets. For each of the basket, they can mount on this small hinge. When you don't need to cook in the fried food, you can put like this. And also these handlebars, you can flip over to put in the small storage. And all these oil pans, they are removables. We can take a measurement for these pans. For these pan sizes, it's about like a 9.5 inches wide and 6 inches deep. Entirely length about like a 12 inches. When the machine cool down, you can simply to remove it and just clean it. And the burning pan is at the bottom. For this basket, let's take a measurements too. This basket is about like a 7 inches wide and 8 inches long and 4 inches deep. This is all information about this machine for the inner cooking space. Thank you for watching these videos. This is all information about these products. If you have more detailed questions, please contact with us. Thank you.